Welcome back, folks, to a rainy day here in Texas. Today we're going to go pick up that new motor for the project truck, the 66 Ford F-250. And it is pouring its ass off out here. We've got about an hour and 20-minute drive, so I'll keep you guys updated on it. But man, it's bad out here. Right now we're only going 40 miles an hour. So we just picked up the new engine. I was gonna video record it, but it's been pouring rain the whole entire time, so I didn't want to put my phone out there in the rain. It is just coming down. I tell you, it's ridiculous. Hey guys, so we're back home, and we got the new engine in the garage. Messed around with it a little bit. Basically put the downpipe and the air intake tube on, and then that's about it for so far. But let's go ahead and go over this engine and what we picked up today. It seems to be working pretty fine. It seems to be working out. I mean, it seems to be shifting pretty easy, and it spins freely. So we should have no problem with it. The same as this engine has. Checked it when I was there. Checked the oil, and it has oil in it, and then there's no water in it either, as far as I can tell. Should be water. If there's water in it, should be right at the end of the dipstick. And I spun it over when we were there, and it spun over really easily, so should be good on that. Other than that, it seems to be a pretty clean engine. Seems to be all there. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see if we can get it here in the truck somewhat in this week or so, and we'll take a video of that and show everything that we do. We're gonna have to make. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either make some quick motor mounts and just throw the engine in the truck and get it here, or actually spend some time and do the motor mounts right there at my dad's place. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to clean these bolt holes out here from the transmission about that. And I just got a little brush on a drill, and I'm squirting some brake cleaner and PV blaster in it. So after I do that, I'm going to go ahead and spray WD-40 back into them. So they got some lube in it, or some grease type like liquid, so it doesn't rust again. And then we'll see if we can pick up some bolts. I took off the measurements. Just went ahead and took a bolt off of here. And these bolts screw right into here, and then so I got the measurement off of these bolts. It took a size of what I need, about 2 inches long, and it's about, I want to say it's a 1/4 inch bolt, I think. I'm going to go ahead and look it up. I took it with a pair of calipers. And then I got the thread pitch with my thread pitch gauge. So let's move to the other side and we'll go ahead and keep on going.
So I can't go down. Let's see if I can just change it the other way.
So I'm just gonna keep on going here because I can get my drill in. So let's keep on going. I think we're good. So I got an Allen wrench here. I'm just gonna simply stick it in. It doesn't look like there's any bolts in here, broke off bolts. Stick it back there and put my thumb right against it, and that's how far back it goes. I'm just gonna go through and check them. Ooh, we may have one. That one's still got stuff in it, so. Is it that one and that one? We'll read it with the drill, see what we got. Remeasure it. Okay, we're good there. We're good there. So it just had dirt in it. Alright guys, so the engine's gonna be sitting here for a couple days or so on this trailer, and I seen my blocks got loose on me as I was coming home, and currently it's sitting on the oil pan. And so I'm gonna go ahead and just jack it up, put some blocks under it to lift it up off the oil pan, and we'll get started here. Okay, so that's up off of it now, but we're gonna go ahead and put the block back on the same other side over there, and so it's more stable. Alright, so I don't even have to jack it up on this side. It's sitting right where I want it to sit. So if I go and try that, it's not gonna work out. I guess I could get another block. I think I'm just gonna put it underneath there, just like that. I think that'll work right there. But other than that, it's man, can't wait to get it in. That's it for today. Probably the next video is gonna be coming out here in a week or so, but it's probably gonna be either us putting the engine in or getting it close to being put in and making motor mounts for it. So that'll be it for today. Until next time, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.